Want to be on X but don't have the time? The problem with X isn't ideas, it's time. Crafting professional posts and replies takes too long. You sit in the compose box, rewriting, second-guessing. 30 minutes per tweet. So you stay silent. Meet PrismX, your AI that learns your voice, finds your conversations, and helps you engage authentically, right inside X. Install from Chrome Web Store. Click the PrismX icon. Connect your Twitter account. PrismX syncs your tweets, analyzing your writing style, tone, and voice instantly. Your voice evolves, so does PrismX, syncing hourly to learn from every tweet you publish. Download your Brand Compass, a complete PDF report of your voice, audience, tone, and style guidelines. Set custom instructions once, what to mention, what to avoid, how to sound, and PrismX follows them forever. Type raw ideas in X's compose box. PrismX instantly transforms them into polished, on-brand tweets. Much faster generation than before. Suggestions appear in seconds. Not perfect? Give feedback and regenerate until it's exactly right. See any post? Click the Prism button below it to generate instant replies or quotes. Provide feedback to tune the response until it perfectly captures your voice. Tweet Finder now shows full tweets and their text related to your brand. Stop scrolling. See only conversations that matter to you. Ready for authentic engagement. Everything is dramatically faster. Tweet generation, reply suggestions, syncing. PrismX now works at lightning speed. Install PrismX today. Your authentic brand voice, finally at scale.